The sun's so bright. I can't see my phone screen at all.
It looks like you're having some troubles, friend.
Who's there? I can't see anything. What's going on?
Don't worry. I have a solution just for you. Ta-da! I have a box head just for you. There you go. Now you can enjoy the shade inside the box. There's even a spot for your phone so you won't have to hold it.
This video is so funny! I love it! It's my new fave. I can't believe they just did that to the teacher!
A job well done. I knew it would work because cardboard can do anything.
Why do I need to learn math anyway?
Oh man! You know what I'm good at? Drawing adorable creatures. No math required. Just an open mind. And some colorful markers. This is way more useful anyway. Just look how cute! And just like that, ta-da! And I ain't done yet. It just need one more little step. There, all done here. Isn't it adorable? See? Hey, check it out!
Aw, cute cat.
Not just any cat. Hungry?
No way.
And addition? He's got it!
For real? That was incredible! Thanks a lot, friend. You're the best.
Aw, thanks! Wanna see something cool? Yep, I always get what I want. See what I mean? I wonder what else I can get. Yikes! I spent all my money! I didn't even realize. But wait! Oh, hey! Can we move some money around? I love a quick deal. Here you go! Who needs paper money anyway? Treating yourself is always the move.
Jeez. Whatever floats your boat.
Alrighty. Hello? Just one, please. You're the best. Thanks. Just 1 second here. Huh? I'm dry as a desert. No, this can't be happening.
That's a shame. I gotcha. Snip, snip. If you need more money, you have to be resourceful. And I've got plenty of cardboard, but it's not worth much yet. First step? Done. Now for step 2. Shout out to the dude who invented the wheel. You're a real one. Yes. In you go. Pretty nifty, right? Oh, Cody.
What's that?
Wouldn't you like to know? Need some cash?
That was sick.
I thought you'd think so. It's all yours.
Thank you. 1 Coke, please. Here you go. All right.
My money, my soda.
Hey, I'll take it.
What up, fam? Ready for a cool cat test?
Oh, I get it. I got this.
No ruler, no problem.
So messy.
Okay, getting somewhere. Uh-huh. Just a few more rips here. Okay. Whatever. I got this.
Are you sure about that, Mindy?
And I'm done, people.
What in the world is that? 'Cause it doesn't look like a cat.
A for effort?
All right. What's with all the scraps? Don't worry, I have an idea. I just need a little cardboard, also known as the wonder material. And when you add some glue to the mix, the possibilities are endless. Stick it right on. Here's where things get interesting. Wheels, anyone? And some careful folds. Can't forget some fringe. That's perfect. Let's bring this bad boy to life. With a smile, see? Check it out. Look, I figured you needed some help.
Did you just do that?
Someone's got to get the trash.
Thanks.
Very nice.
Well,
Hold on. I'm all done.
yeah, you are.
What about me?
Oh, yep, also good. Well done, class.
Oh my! Nothing like fresh flowers. Settle down, class.
Oh,
My. Oh, is that me? Hello? Yes, I got them.
time is of the essence.
Oh, yeah.
It's on. Ha!
Fight.
Take that. You're going down.
Hey, watch it.
Oh, yeah? Hey,
Too fast for ya? Plane incoming!
Gah! Ha ha!
I'm done playing nice. Watch out!
I don't think so. Oh boy. No!
Her flowers.
Think she'll be mad?
Well,
Plagues on both your houses. You shall never find happiness again.
it wasn't on purpose.
Don't hurt us! We have to do something!
I know. Hey, don't worry. I got this. Just watch and be amazed. The teacher needs a vase? Then that's what we'll give her. Cool, but I'm not quite finished yet. I wouldn't give her plain cardboard, would I? That's why this one's good as gold. So pretty. All it's missing are flowers. See? Time to make the switch. In you go. Phew. We're good, trust me.
Aw, love you too, Pumpkin. No, you are.
Did she notice?
Roses are my favorite.
Thank goodness!
Just keep working, okay?
Oh, what a relief!
Watch very closely, okay? And take careful notes. If S equals 1, but you carry this over here, what does V equal?
Not now. I need ink, people. I'm getting behind. Come on, come on. I need a new pen. Better than nothing. If only he'd slow down. Seriously? This can't be happening. None of these will work. I just need a stupid pen. Gah! These are all useless. Ugh.
Huh? She needs a pen. What about a pencil? Oh, yeah! Need this?
Thanks. Finally. No! I'm cursed. Ugh, I give up.
All right, finished.
Huh? You okay over there? Yikes! That's a bummer. But I can help. Wait for it. Ha-ha! I love a cozy home, don't you? Can't forget the roof. Perfect. Well, almost. But it still doesn't solve our little problem. But it will soon. Ta-da! Come right on in. Enter at your own risk. It's sharp in here. Almost. There. Good as new. Hey, still need a pencil? Got you covered.
Not bad. Let's go. Seriously? Did I just do that?
Need this?
Oh, I do. Right in here? Sweet. Thanks a lot.
Easy, right? Wait! I need to start over.
What?
Worst Monday ever.
So bored.
Tell me about it. Oh, I could use a little pick-me-up. Not bad.
Hey, wanna try? It's hard.
I bet I could do it. Just match the colors, right? Piece of cake. See?
Impressive. But what about chess? Well,
Chess? I can play this in my sleep.
you sure?
Yep. I know what I'm doing. Don't take it personally.
Oh, yeah?
No thanks.
But mine.
I don't think so.
Ugh, I have to win.
No, I've got this. And that's how it's done.
You think you're so smart? Take that. I'm smart too, you know. Just watch. I hope you're taking notes, genius. 'Cause when it comes to crafts, I'm queen. Chess? Rubik's Cube? Who cares? This thing's about to blow your mind. And it's very personal. See? Hey, Cody! You like puzzles? This is gonna be so good. Let's see him solve this one. What do you say? Up for it?
A puzzle? That's child's play. I mean,
Missing something?
huh?
It's probably easier with this.
Oh,
Too funny. Anybody thirsty? I know I am. Hey, want some?
it's hot today. Aw. Hey, for Cody? It's for me? Thank you.
You'd better be reading, kids.
Huh? All right, all right. Back to business. I'd better get organized.
Oh, Yep, me too. Just give me 1 second here. There!
Huh? For real?
You listening? Okay.
Oh, got it. I'm ready. But this pen is not. Ugh. It was my water cup. Can't drink that anymore. Why did I do that?
Oops. Say less. I think you need a little help, bro. No more mushy markers for you. I'll get you a little, very dry helper. And he's averific. You'll see what I mean soon. Just trust me here. Isn't he incredible? Not to be confused with your water cup.
Wow!
I know. Nuh-uh-uh. Not for trash. It's for your pens, okay? You're welcome. Now, where was I?
98? 99? That pizza was delicious. It really hit the spot. Huh? What are you doing? Wow, Mindy's pretty good. She shoots and… she misses. Oh, my ball! I'll never be a soccer player. Aw, she looks so sad. At least you tried. I thought you were pretty good. Don't be upset. I have to cheer Mindy up. Wait, I know what to do. I can use my pizza box. I'll cut it into hexagons. Now I'll apply glue to one edge and stick them together. I'll keep doing this. It's like a giant jigsaw puzzle. I want to create a ball. It looks good, huh? I can't wait to show Mindy. Hey, you need to see this. Huh? Wait, is that a ball? I hope you like it. Like it? I love it! This is great! Thanks, Molly. I'll just keep away from the windows. Ooh, I like that angle. Wow, I'm a natural. I make this look easy. I'm definitely posting this one. Wait, this is even better. Ahem. I have arrived. You can all pay attention to me. I know. I look good. I can't help being this beautiful. It's actually a burden. But someone has to do it. And check out my new fit. It's straight from the catwalk. Wow! Look at you! You look amazing! Tell me something I don't know. Your outfit is… interesting. Wait a second. Those shoes look familiar. They look just like mine. We're shoe buddies! Put it there! Do I have to? I'm looking forward to art class. It's my favorite subject. Let's get started. What'll I paint? Wow, you never stop talking, huh? Hey, look at my mustache! I need to change desks. I can't believe we have the same shoes. We should be besties. Seriously? It's so annoying. I can't take it anymore. That's it! I need to do something about this. No one wears the same shoes as me. I should have done this earlier. I'll need all the paint. It's almost ready. It's time for a fashion makeover. You'll thank me later. Now, I need to act innocent. Oops! The paint slipped! Sorry! No! Are you kidding me? Look at my shoes! Oh, what a shame. I guess you'll need to change now. Yeah, I guess so. I'll make my own shoes. I'll need to cut this cardboard. I think I've got everything I need. I'll start with the shoe shape. I'll need one more thing. My trusty glue gun. I'll apply the glue to this strip of cardboard. I only need it at one end. Now I'll stick it to the other piece. I'll need to press them together. I want it to be secure. Then I can wrap the strip around. I'll need to bend and shape it. I don't want any gaps. Okay, now for the next piece. I'll need to fold this part. It has to fit inside. I'll need more glue. I'll put it all the way along the side. That's perfect. This'll be the front of the shoes. It'll keep my toes cozy. These are the last pieces. But I'm not finished. I'll poke holes in the cardboard. These'll keep my feet cool. No one wants smelly feet. Now I need holes for the laces. I'll keep them evenly spaced out. I'll do this all the way up the side of the shoe. Now I need to paint them. Wow! That looks great! My own custom sneakers! I'll try them on. They fit perfectly! What do you think? Huh? What the? Where did you get those sneakers? Wow, they're amazing! They're pretty exclusive. So chic. Let's paint. There's no escape, Molly! I'm gonna get you! No, you won't! I need a break. But it was fun! Look at the teacher's lamp. I'm gonna turn it off. Hey, don't do that. That's better. I don't think so. Quit it. Make me. Huh? What happened to it? I think you broke it. Hey, switch on. Wait. Nope. It's gone. This is so bad. Run away. Maybe she won't notice.
Good morning, class. I hope you're ready for the test. That's strange. My lamp isn't working. What's wrong with it? Girls? Any ideas?
Deny all knowledge. I'm saying nothing.
I should have known. You've been messing with it. I warned you before.
Hold up. Let's rewind. We can't let that happen. Wait! I have an idea! We can use this paper. This'll fix anything. First I need to divide it into 3 sections. Now I'll make a small fold at the top. Then I'll flip it over. Then I'll make another fold. I'll keep doing this. I'll do it all the way down the paper. Now I'll pinch it together. I'll hold it tight at one side. Now I'll need fairy lights. Then I'll take a piece of pink card. I'll fold it over and put stickers on it. I'll make a hole in the back and push the lights through it. I'll stick the lights to the inside of the card. Then I can add my folded paper. I'll pull it over the lights. That should do it. It looks just like a book. Take a look at this. We don't need the lamp anymore. This is even better. Wow, it's so pretty. I could look at it all day. The teacher will love it. Let's get back to our desks.
Good morning, class. I hope you're… Huh? This isn't my lamp. Where did this come from? I guess it's one of life's mysteries.
Yes! It worked! You did great!
Time for a roll call. Everyone's here.
And now I'm bored. This class is the worst. I wish there was something fun to do. Any ideas, Bones? Ugh, you're such a nerd.
I guess it's up to me. I'll make a paper airplane. I want to create a point. Now I'll add another fold. This is much better than the lesson. I'll make a small tab at the base of the triangle. Look at that! This is so interesting! And it's ready for takeoff. Look at it go! Oh! No! Who did that? I've got no idea. I've got a whole squadron. What the? Take cover! Oh, it's coming right for me! Wow! Perfect landing! You're in big trouble. It was Bones. Nice try, Mindy. That's it! Uh-oh. This isn't good. You're in a whole lot of trouble. You made a huge mistake. And now you'll pay for it. I can explain. Too late! Wait, please! It won't happen again! I need to work fast! Come on, origami skills! Don't let me down! I'll need my glue stick. Then I'll stick the paper together. I'll need another sheet. I'll join them together. I'll need one more. I'll make a cube. Now I'll make a base for it. Then press the sides together. I finished! And just in time! Sorry about the plane thing. I made this for you. You did what? It's wonderful! Really think so? It's the greatest thing I've seen! Phew, that was close. I could look at it all day. When school gets tough, don't panic. Just reach for the cardboard and paper. It'll solve all your problems. What's your best craft to make school easier? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.